Welcome and congratulations on your new saxophone. It's a beautiful instrument, whether it's old and vintage looking or new and shiny, it's got its own beauty. You're about to embark on a great journey of music. But before you start playing the saxophone, there's a few things you might want to think about. Taking good care of the instrument. You want it to last a long time. It's a very delicate instrument. If it falls on the ground, it could break and you won't be able to play it anymore. So one thing I like to think about when I'm taking a little break from playing is where to put it. The best place to keep it is on a saxophone stand. Looks just like this. We place the saxophone stand on the floor and place the saxophone firmly and securely on the stand. And the saxophone should be safe temporarily while we're taking little breaks. Never keep your saxophone on your music stand or leaving it lying on a chair. It could fall off and you'll have lots of problems with it. It won't sound good after that. Watch out for your little brother and sister. They might want to play with your saxophone, but it's not a toy. It's a serious instrument, and watch out for the dogs and cats around your house. They might want to jump on it, and if they knock it over, it won't work either. So when you're finished playing, always keep your saxophone in the case. I'm going to take apart my saxophone right now and put it inside the case. Lay it down right here. Take my mouthpiece off. The neck inside its pouch. And there we go. Saxophone's in a safe place. Make sure to latch the case firmly and securely before you start walking away with the saxophone. Don't ever leave it outside. Keep it in a room. And if you take good care of your saxophone, it will last for many, many years to come.